balls. What we are doing is we're doing some salad, some chips, and we're going to do some scallops. There we go. So, and of course we're going to do some wine. Always with a bit of wine. So, our scallops, we're just going to do them hand fried with some chili and some garlic here. Salad and chips in the air fryer. Easiest way to join them. So just press the chip button. Go. Timer. Maybe a little bit less. Let's just go 10 minutes and see how they go. Okay. So our salad. We had a little bit of salad left over. So we've just tossed it in there. It's all feta cheese, olives, tomatoes, stuff that can just turn over the next day. So what we'll do is we'll put a bit of baby sauce back in there. So we have this in the garden. We're gonna have to show you what we've got in the garden because we've got rocket. We've got all sorts of things in that garden that you'd just be amazed of. We will show you what we got in our garden on a video. How does that sound? So let's just toss that through, right? And these are from our garden, so we'll chuck those in, those little baby tomatoes. Right, so we are going to put in some capsicum and some cucumber. So capsicum and cucumber. Our son is trying to peel an onion still. Okay, good. So cucumber in the salad. So our chips are cooking. We've already got some rice done. So rice is pretty easy. Rice is a rice cooker. Follow the instructions. It's pretty much whatever the depth of the rice is, that's the depth of the water plus another. So it's very simple to cook rice, especially with a rice cooker these days. So we focusing on our salad, so we want to just spice it up a little bit. So there's some capsicum. So we're going to put a bit more capsicum in here. If you don't want the centre bit, just rip it out, push it aside, pop it back to the other side, all the seeds will drop out the other way. Dice that up, chuck it in the salad. Ready, spaghettis? Dun, 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 dun. Zaid's helping me here with the salad. Back to the radish. Radish we cut in half, and we cut it in half so it doesn't slip. Zaid's doing a really good job, aren't you? Hey, look, it's going to roll if Daddy cuts it. So we're going to drop it in half, yes? You'll notice that I am pushing things through with my thumb. So my knuckles are here and I'm pushing through with my thumb. Now if you push too far with your thumb, it's going to be all bad. It's going to hurt, and it does hurt. So just be careful because you can ruin a really good meal overnight. Now, okay, so all this aside, that's our salad done. Would you like to put some cheese on the salad cover? Would you like to put the cheese on here? So like one like this, yeah? No, it's got to be even like this. Daddy's very fussy, yeah? One. Good? You got that under control? So, we're getting prepared for our scallops. That is our main dish tonight, so our scallops here. And we could crumb them or we could do a lot of things with them. We could put them in a Chinese dish, Vietnamese, Cantonese, Sudanese, everything. We could do everything with scallops. Oh, Zay's doing really good, yes. So, what we want is we want some chili and some garlic. So, pretty much, it doesn't matter if we cut them together, right? So, we're just going to dice them. So, sharp knife, right? Sharp knife once again. So, when you sharpen your knife, like this, not like that, right? Like this. So, and then you can turn this one, you can turn this hand left and right. Left and right. So, and you need to watch this knuckle, right? So, very sharp knife. A sharp knife is your preparation, and your preparation is perfect. Everything's in preparation. So what we're going to do is we're going to slowly dice this up. So what I'm doing is I'm just pushing it back into my fingers. Yeah. Okay, so eventually I can get there and I can start going across, right? So for now, we can just keep pushing it in. So we've only put in one chili. You done? Is Zay done, is he?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's all presentation, so you got to go like this a bit, cover, okay? You got to go like that a bit. Yeah, and then put the rest, please. Please put the rest. Thank you. So, we can push and push and push as far as we can here. And then eventually you can just go chop, 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 to dice it up more and more. Alright? Why we're only putting one chili is because that's the flavor that we want. Now these chilies are from our garden and they are extremely hot, right? So at present I'm slowly going chop, 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 right? Pushing through with my fingers, with my knuckles and my thumb. Eventually I can just grab the knife, support this end and chop, chop, chop. Okay? Chop faster, boy. Chop faster.
Daddy.
Yes. Yes, Papa.
Done.
You done?
Say done.
Zay's done? Have you made your salad?
It is.
Can I try it?
Yes.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, can I have a bit of everything together? Yum. Yeah? Mmm. It is so good. We're still preparing for our scallops, which will be pan fried. I think I just put a bit of his cheese in there, but that won't mind. A bit of cheese is good. Actually, you know you're kind of funny, but at the same time, what would you like me to do with these? You want to wash them up? Seriously? You want me to stop what I'm doing and I'll do the dishes? Yes? Give it a 5. It's cute. So, we are still going to add some garlic granules and some chili flakes. Right? For the sauces, we have two different options for the sauces. Right? And for our salad dressing, well, we like to leave the salad like that because everyone prefers a different salad dressing. Not everyone likes the same salad dressing, whether it be Italian, French, balsamic. There's so many original or authentic salad dressings that let's just let people put their own salad dressing on, yes? So what we're going to do is we're going to pan fry these scallops with some fresh garlic, 1 chili, because we don't want it too hot, because we're going to add more spices to it, and it is going to turn out pretty hot. Now, what we want to do, we want to turn our pan on, and we want to turn it on really hot. So as hot as it can go, but don't leave it on hot for that period of time. So we're going as hot as we can go for now. We're going to put some olive oil in. This is going to be extremely quick, right? This is all going to happen very quick. We've got our salad, we've got our chips, everything's on the go. So if you're asking me how many tablespoons of olive oil that was probably about 8 or 10. Just keep going around and around, maybe 8 or 10 times, okay? So, we've got our salad, cranky. We've got our scallops, cranky. Our chips are on the way. As soon as that boils, we're gonna chuck these in, and we're gonna be on our way. So, we'll start cleaning up. Clean up the bench, get the plates ready to dish up so we can see you, show you our presentation and how it's meant to look. What's that called? Chubby?
Hot.
It's a hot. He knows it's hot. So, as we spoke about before, we're just putting some rice on. To get this shape, all we've done is we've put it in a bowl. So, put it in a bowl, press it down hard, chuck it on the plate upside down, okay? So, here, right, we've got our garlic. This is gonna be very quick, guys, extremely quick, right? Garlic's in, scallops in. Alright, might wanna come to my right, darling. So, we're turning those. We're gonna do some garlic and some chili flakes on them. Alright, some chili flakes. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Turn that around. Now, a scallop. Now this is Tasmanian scallops, right? With the roe on. So this orange part here is absolutely delicious. We don't cut that off. That is very nice. So we're going to cook these. It doesn't take more than a minute or two. It depends on how hot you can keep your pan. So we're doing it in a wok. It is hot enough, and as you can see, they're already cooked through. Right, so when they're cooked through, see, this is a good example, this one here. Alright, if I cut it in half, it's still a little bit clear inside, a little bit clear. We just want that completely white. And some people just like it, they don't care, they'll eat it raw. A lot of Tasmanians will eat it raw. New Zealanders, they'll eat it completely raw. This is one of the best seafoods apart from the crayfish that we've been telling you about. Tasmanian crayfish is the same as New Zealand crayfish. Tasmanian scallops is the same as New Zealand scallops. Best seafood you'll have in the whole entire world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And honestly, that's done. Right. So what we're going to do, we'll turn that off and we'll start dishing up. So what I didn't do was put the chips on. There we go. So we've been cooking the chips all along. I'm just going to put them on for a little bit longer. So salad, and salad is of your choice. Like, depends what salad dressing you want to put on, what you're gonna put on. We always prefer to let everyone put their own salad dressing on. Just, so this is just an air fryer to get these chips done. See there, guys, that is going to taste very nice. At the end of the day, if you use cold water when you've got a hot plate, that's very easy to wash up and clean up. Now, this is going to taste extremely nice. It doesn't matter which one I pick, I'll pick this one. So the scallop, here we go, a bit of salt and pepper. Some salad dressings. We're going to go the Tasmanian Ned Kellys. Right. The Tasmanian Ned Kellys we're going is balsamic, sorry, my bad, basil and garlic. Let's try this. So, a bit of this, a bit of that, the scallop. As always, absolutely beautiful, and I wish you was here eating it with us. Very delicious, once again. Cheers.